We stand for crime because it is the truth.
Protecting the
Stop the wrong and dispute.
every term, every rule, every word we learn. Guide us to serve with honesty and concern.
Not just to watch, but to understand. To build peace across our land. We stand for order. We stand for what's right. Bringing hope and safety into the light. This is our calling. This is our goal.